We know how to walk the line around a circle, its circumference. But what about the space inside? If you're painting a round tabletop or planning a circular garden, you need to measure its area. The problem is, square tiles don't fit neatly into curves. You could estimate by counting squares on a grid, but for an exact answer, you need a secret formula. Area equals pi times radius squared. A equals pi r squared. Let's break that down. Pi is our special number, roughly 3.14. But the hero of this formula is the radius, the distance from the center of the circle to its edge. The formula only works with the radius, not the diameter, which is the full width. This is the most common trap. If a problem gives you a diameter of 10 meters, you must cut it in half first. Your radius is 5. The second critical rule is about order. The formula says radius squared, which means you multiply the radius by itself before you touch pi. So for our garden with a 5-meter radius, you calculate 5 times 5 to get 25. Then you multiply that by pi. So 3.14 times 25 gives you an area of 78.5 square meters. Think of it like this. Squaring the radius is the magic step that transforms a one-dimensional line into a two-dimensional surface. And this powerful logic extends everywhere. Need the glass for an arched window? That's just a semicircle. Find the area of the full circle, then simply divide it by 2. So remember the 2 golden rules. Always use the radius and always square it first. Master those and you've unlocked the exact space inside any circle you'll ever find.